How to link Google account to Binance on PC. Now, first of all, make sure you sign in to a Gmail or Google account on your browser. Now, after you log into your Binance account, head over to profile icon, click on accounts. Now, after that, click on security, and now scroll down until you find advanced security. Now, next to account connection, click on manage. And now, as you can see, we have these three options. Now we need to add our Google account to Binance. Now click on connect. Now, after that, a little pop-up it will appear here, and now after it show you the Gmails or Google account that you signed in, just pick one of them, and now you linked or connects your Google account to Binance. So this is how to connect or link your Google account to Binance on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.